Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Diana the Paper Pineapple, and I'm back with another week in my Project Life album. So this marks week 29, and if you wait till the end of the video, you will see a completed layout for week 30. I'm almost done catching up, so pretty soon I'll be back with my regular 1 week process video. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and take you through my week. For this week, I've used Elle Studio July's kit, most of July's cards, some past cards, and July's die cut. So here you have me pulling out some tabs here, trimming them, and then just adhering them to the picture and doing a little bit of journaling. So top picture on the left hand side is the 4x6 at the top is a picture of my coworkers and I. We decided to go out to lunch and we had a good visit, and my friend on the right, she is no longer going to be working with us, so we kind of wanted to have one more lunch before she left on vacation to Colorado. And so yeah, it was a nice visit. We were missing one of our other coworkers, and she wasn't able to make it, but hopefully we'll be able to go out to lunch before we start work here. Work's coming. Kids are going to start school soon. My kids start on the 13th. So yeah, back to the grind, guys, back to working, and I'm dreading because I'm just enjoying the last couple days of my vacation. So yeah, that goes by really quick. Anyway, next row below is the middle row there on the left hand side is a first 3x4 is a picture of my sons. I took the boys, my husband and I took the boys out to go see Despicable Me 4. My daughter saw that movie with her boyfriend, so it was nice, just the four of us. It was a cute movie. If you haven't watched it, I recommend it. It is pretty cute and funny. And then on the right is a journaling card that I will later use to write a little bit about the things that happened throughout the week, kind of like a week review. I love having these during my layouts just so I can jot down real quick what happened. On the bottom row there is this 4x6 card. I ended up just cutting out of some scraps from my stash. I didn't have the 4x6 that came with the July kit didn't have like for journaling, so I just got this simple like graph grid and adhere this little looks like a film strip, picture 2x2s, 2x2s of my son, my youngest. He ended up having to go in. He'll be getting his braces, his orthodontics done soon here, and they needed to extract 2 teeth just to make space for his other ones. So yeah, that was a little rough. I was a little stressed that day. My son, he was a champ. He did really good. I took my other son with me, and he was kind of freaking out because so he goes to a pediatric dentist, and when they're a little nervous they give him like this laughing gas and it's so cute because my other son was freaking out because as soon as they put it on him, like the oxygen max to give it to him, he just started laughing. I wish I would have recorded that, but my son was kind of freaking out. He's like, is that normal? And I'm like, yep, that's totally normal. It's just to ease him, and so he's not nervous or anything. It worked like a charm. He did really good. And then aftercare was fine. I just watched him and he did good, so he's ready to get his braces on. So moving on to the right hand side here, top 4x6 is a picture of our friends. We ended up doing a trip to Paso Robles. If you guys, I'm from California, so there was the California Mid-State Fair, and we got tickets to see Brad Paisley, and it was so awesome. We had such a great time. I wish I can go back. We've decided that we're going to do a summer tradition to go to the Mid-State Fair and see all of our country artists perform, and it was a blast. We stayed the weekend out there, and it was so much fun. So many pictures, which I'll have to include in my summer album because I don't have space for all of that in this just simple layout here. But yeah, it was so great. So then the top picture, the journaling card there at the top is the best things about summer, and I just use a rolling date stamp there to date it. And then the middle row there is my 3x4 selfie, which is the Thursday 3. I use this journaling card with the stars to journal a little bit about my 3 right now moments or life during that time. So I quickly jotted that. I'll leave all her handle and all the description of that in my description below if you want to check it out. It is hosted by RU Kristen. And then on the right hand side is a 3x4 picture of my husband and I. And yeah, it was fun. We had such a blast. The 4x6 below that is a picture of my friend and I. They had never been to the Madonna Inn, and so we decided to take them up to SLO, San Luis Obispo, and we headed there for brunch at the Copper Cafe, and hit up the Secret Garden, which I had never been before, and I have a cute little garden there with beautiful flowers, and we took lots of pictures there. So it was really nice. We had a great time going into town, going out to eat. I love eating at new places and just enjoying ourselves, and it was really good. We did end up going to this pizzeria. It was really good when we were done with the concert because we were hungry. And that's like the best eating. Like when you go to a concert, you go out to dance, or you go to a party, and then you go and have something to eat afterwards, whether it's tacos or pizza or whatever. Anyway, yeah, so that was fun. And then I used a journaling card there with the flowers because I thought it was suitable, because the Madonna Inn has, if you have ever been, inside it has like this beautiful like pink floral print all over the place, and it just flowers everywhere, and I just thought that they would go good with that picture. So anyway, here is my finished layout. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for being patient with me. I know it's taken me a while, but I've been doing all the things. So if you stay tuned, I will have a picture of my week 30 completed layout, and I'm going to go ahead and sign off here. Hope you guys have a fabulous day and enjoy the last of your summer. All right, I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye, guys.